your vehicle's electrical system, the alternator, also known as a generator, is turned by the main engine belt, or serpentine belt. The alternator uses the mechanical rotation of the serpentine belt to produce electrical power when the engine is running. If the serpentine belt doesn't have the required tension, the alternator doesn't turn as much as it should and will not perform properly. Behind the pulley, fan blades move air to cool the alternator's internal moving parts. If the fan blades are broken, the alternator can overheat and eventually seize up. If you're experiencing a grinding or squeaking sound from the alternator, likely a bearing inside the alternator is worn or pitted. Worn alternator brushes can affect alternator performance as well, as the electricity doesn't travel through the alternator. The battery won't charge properly. If your alternator isn't functioning as it should, your car's engine may not start due to lack of electrical power, and you might notice your lights aren't shining as brightly as they normally do. The battery is the power supply that enables your car to start and provides power to your electrical functions and accessories. If your battery isn't in good condition, you may have one or more symptoms present. You could have a clicking noise when you turn the ignition instead of your engine starting. You might have a battery light or check engine light illuminated on your dashboard. Your headlights may operate dimly or not at all. Over time, especially in humid climates, corrosion can form on your battery terminals, or your battery terminals may be under-tightened or loose. In either case, corrosion or loose connections can cause electrical failures of all kinds.